Okay, welcome back to worksheet 2.2. We're going to be starting on question 6 now. 3 girls had 72 dolls altogether. Alice had 3 times as many dolls as Belinda. Katie had 7 more dolls than Belinda. How many more dolls did Alice have than Katie? Alright, first we're going to mark out the important things. Okay, first we know that there are 3 girls and together they had 72 dolls. Second, we're going to be looking at what happens after that. Alice had 3 times as many dolls as Belinda. Okay, and Katie had 7 more dolls than Belinda. Alright, I'll use a different color for this. The last part says that how many more dolls did Alice have than Katie? Alright, so now we're going to be drawing our model. Okay, we have Alice, Belinda, and Katie. Alright, if Alice had 3 times as many dolls as Belinda, okay, so Alice will have a big model like this, split the 3. Belinda's one would be, right, just a third of what Amanda has, sorry. And Katie would have 7 more dolls than Belinda. So we're going to draw one that's the same as Belinda. Right, and a little bit more here. There is 7 more dolls than Belinda. Now, how many more dolls did Alice have than Belinda? Don't forget to read the first piece of information. All this is 72 dolls. Alright, so in order to find the 5 units here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, what we have to do first is to get rid of the 7 so that we can just divide it by 5 to find what's 1 unit. Alright, so in this case we'll get 5 units will be equals to the 72, which is the total for everything, minus the extra 7. Okay, so 65. Now from here we want to find what is 1 unit. 1 unit will just be 65 divided by 5. You'll get 13. How many more dolls did Alice have than Katie? Alright, so now we have to find how much did Alice have and how much did Katie have. Okay, so let's find how much did Alice have first. Alice, alright, will have, now this is not equal sign, it's just a dot to show you that this is Alice. Okay, Alice will have 3 units, will be 13 times 3. And for Katie has 1 unit plus the 7. Now let me erase this so that it doesn't confuse you. Okay, Katie will have 13 plus 7 equals 20. So how many more dolls is just the difference. We take the 39 minus 20, we will get 19. Alright, okay, let's move on to question 6 now. Question 7. Mr. Ong had 14 boxes of oranges. There were 58 oranges in each box. He sold 182 oranges on Monday and 210 on Tuesday. He then packed the rest in the bags of 20 oranges each. Alright, so we're going to do first, we're going to mark out the important things. Mr. Ong had 14 boxes of oranges and 58 oranges in each box. Why did I group these together? Because what we want to do is find a total. This is just the total broken up into 2 different parts. Alright, so from here, let's find the next one. He sold 182 oranges on Monday and 210 oranges on Tuesday. Okay, so this will be the second piece of information. Alright, so the third piece of information would be he then packed the rest in the bags of 20 oranges each. Alright, now we can work out our now for this question we don't need to use any model diagram. We just have to use some easy understanding. First we have to find what is the total. Okay, total for 14 boxes, each of them with 58 oranges. Okay, you just have to multiply them out. 14 times 58 would be 812. Okay, he sold 182 on Monday, 210 on Tuesday. So now we want to get rid of these 2 to find out how much he has left first. So we just need to take 812 minus 182 minus 210. Okay, you will get, remember if you're going to write it like this, you have to follow your order operations, both from left to right. Okay, answer would be 420. Now with 420, okay, this would be the how much he has left. He then packed this 420 into bags of 20 oranges each. So from here we'll have 420. We divide it by the number of oranges inside each bag. Okay, remember I can cancel off the zeros. Answer will be 21 bags of oranges altogether. Okay. Question 8. Pen costs $3 more than a book. Book costs $5 more than a file. Ali paid a total of $48 for each item. Okay, what I'm going to do now is start highlighting. Pen costs $3 more than a book. Orange. Book costs $5 more than a file. Okay, and the last bit of information is Ali paid total of $48 for each item, for three of each item. All right. So this is the key here. The word is three. Okay. So let's draw a model now. Pen costs $3 more than a book. Pen. Okay. Book costs $5 more than file. And the last one. Okay, only pen and book, right? Oh, and file. Okay. So let's draw a pen first. Okay. Alright, so from here a pen costs $3 more than a book. Okay, so there will be an extra $3 here. How about I use a different color, it'll be easier to see. Okay, I'll use red. $3. Okay, and now we're looking at the file. Okay, a book costs $5 more than a file. So a file will therefore be smaller than a book by $5. Okay, and this is, we'll use a different color. Alright, this here, the difference here will be $5. Now take note, we want to put them into equal units. So if you're cutting this $5 to make it into a unit of a file, alright, we have to take out another $5 here as well. Okay, so our base unit will be now the size of the file, which is this one. Okay, so we have 1, 2, 3 base units, 2 $5 units, and 1 $3 unit. Now please take note, you have to read the question properly. I almost missed it the first time. Ali paid a total of $48 for 3 of each item, which means this is not the final model drawing. Okay, so from here you still have to duplicate whatever you did for the pencil. Okay, let's see whether I can. Alright, so you have to draw another unit here, draw another unit here, draw another unit here. Okay, let's complete the files first. 3 files. Okay, each item you had 3. Alright, so draw another unit here, draw another unit here. Wait, there's too many. Okay, and then sorry, I'm just I know it's a bit messy, but you, after I finish drawing, you understand. Okay, and then we do the same thing for the pencil. Alright, this is another $5. Okay, then there's the red color portion, which is the $3. Then we go back to black, which is the base unit. Alright, blue, red. Okay, so now you can see what I did was I duplicated into 3 pens, 3 books, and 3 files. Alright, so what we're going to be doing now, what we will do now is to fill in the last bit of information. Ali paid a total of $48 for all of this. Alright, so all we need to do now is count how many units. It's something like question 6 like that. Count how many units, base units that are here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Total 9 units. I'm going to remove those numbers here so it won't be so confusing later. Okay, so we want to find what is 9 units, right? All we need to do is take the $48, minus off all the random blue $5 and red $3. Okay, so I will minus off. Okay, this one will be $8, $8. Together, all this is okay, $8 times 3 is 24. Okay, and then for the books, alright, we'll have $5, $5 will be $15. Okay, so we take 48 minus 24 minus 15. Okay, answer will be $9. So from here we can find that 1 unit will be equals to $9 divided by 9. We'll get $1. Now you want to find the cost of a book. A book costs $5 more than that 1 unit. So all we need to do is take the $1 plus the $5 back. Answer should be $6. Alright. Now, question 9. Bill bought an equal number of shorts and shirts for $100. A shirt costs $8 and each pair of shorts costs $4 more than a shirt. How many shirts did he buy? Okay, let's mark it out first. First bit of information is he bought an equal number of shorts and shirts. Okay. Second bit of information, shirt costs $8 and each pair of shorts costs $4 more than a shirt. Alright, actually, you know what? I'm not going to join this up. I'm going to just remark this into a different one. Now, it doesn't really matter. This is just for you to understand. So even if you mark a little bit different from me, okay, it doesn't really matter. Alright, so now we know that for every short he bought a shirt. Okay, so this is a sets question. Alright, inside one big set, you have 1 shorts and then you have 1 shirt because they're equal number. Okay, a shirt costs $8. Okay, so a short costs $8 and a pair of shorts costs $4 more than a shirt. So this one will cost $12. Okay, $8 plus $4. Alright, now we know that in each set here is actually $8 plus $12, which will be giving you $20. Okay, so total we will have $100. So what we need to do is to find how many sets, okay, that we have. So we just take $100 divided by $20, which is how much one set of this shirt and shorts is worth. Alright, we'll get 5. So we have altogether 5 sets. Okay, 5 sets of this 1 shorts, 1 shirt, which means that for this number of sets, right, we actually have to multiply it by 5 times. And you notice that it will tell you from here, if 1 short multiplied by 5, you get 5 shorts. 1 shirt multiplied by 5, you get 5 shirts. So from here, easy to get. 1 times 5 is the number of shirts you're going to be getting. Okay, so you're just going to get 5 shirts. As easy as that. Right? Question 10. Amy and Benny went shopping with the same amount of money. After Amy had spent $60 and Benny had spent $120, Amy had 5 times as much money as Benny. How much money did Amy bring along at first? Okay, let's work out. Same amount of money. Okay, this is the first bit of information. After Amy had spent $60 and Benny had spent $120. Second bit of information. Third bit of information. Amy had 5 times as much money as Benny. So this is the after. Alright. Now, like always, I like to draw the after first. Alright. So when Amy had 5 times and Benny had, okay, we draw the 5 times first. Should be one huge unit. Divide it equally by 5 parts. Alright, Benny should have only 1 part. Alright, this is the beginning. This is the after part, after everything happened. So now we have to put back the money that they spent. Amy spent $60. Alright, so I'll use a different color for that. Amy spent $60. Now against this, they say that at the beginning the same amount of money means whatever Benny has spent, okay, has to be super big, all the way until you can cover the $6. Okay, so this one has to be $120. Okay, sorry, Amy spent $60, not $6. Alright, so from here you can see that if you want to find, okay, what is this portion over here? Alright, how to find these 4 units? These 4 units, you can just take the 120 minus the $60. You get 4 units. Okay, hope you all can see by now. So I'll get 4 units will be equals to $120 minus $60 will be equals to $60. Here you can find what's 1 unit. Let me just erase this so it won't be confusing. Okay, 1 unit will be equals to $60 divided by 4, you get $12. Alright. How much money did Amy bring along at first? So you're going to find what Amy got. Okay. Actually, Amy and Ben had the same, and Benny had the same amount of money. So actually, you can just find what Benny had. So you just need to take the $12 plus the $120. You will get $132. Alright. Now, moving on to question 11. Gabriel has $70 less than Sam. Eugene has $40 more than the total amount of money that Gabriel and Sam has. If Eugene has $160 more than Gabriel, how much money does Eugene have? Okay, let's highlight the important points first. Gabriel has $70 less than Sam. Okay, second bit of information. Eugene has $40 more than the total amount of money that Gabriel and Sam has. Okay, if Eugene has 160 more, okay, sorry, if Eugene has 160 more than Gabriel, how much money does Eugene have? Now from here you look at the orange portion, okay, Eugene has $40 more than the total amount that Gabriel and Sam has. So this is an indication that you have to draw the models, alright, to compare between Eugene is comparing between Gabriel and Sam. Okay, so first we try to draw it individually, see whether it works. Okay, Gabriel is $70 less than Sam. We just start from there, Gabriel and Sam. Okay, Gabriel has $70 less than Sam. Okay, changes in grade. This one will be how much? $70. The difference. Okay. Now Eugene has $40 more than the total money that Gabriel and Sam has. So Eugene not only has 1 unit, he has 2 units. Okay. Plus the red portion here that Sam had. Okay, we are. Okay, this is here. Plus the red portion that Sam has. Alright. And apart from that, he had $40 more than what both of them had altogether. So there should be another $40 here. Okay. So now they are saying that if Eugene, alright, has 160 more than Gabriel, how much money does Eugene have? So we're going to see a difference between Eugene and Gabriel. Notice Eugene and Gabriel, the difference will be this one. Alright, and this one they're telling you now, okay, it's $160. So all we need to do to find what is one black unit, take $160, okay, minus 70 minus 30, minus 40, sorry. Alright, that is you get $50. Okay, so now we want to find how much money does Eugene have altogether. Eugene has 2 units plus the 70 plus the 40. Okay, or we can just take a shortcut since we know this is $50. Okay, we know that it's $160. Okay, we just add them together. We get 210. Alright, answer will be 210. Okay, last question 12. Delivery company earned $10 for each hamper delivered on time and $4 for each hamper delivered late. In June, the company collected a total of $11,400. For every 17 hampers delivered, 14 were delivered on time and 3 were delivered late. How much was the total number of hampers delivered on time in June? Alright, now first let's break this up. Delivery company earned $10 for each hamper delivered on time and $4 for each hamper delivered late. You see these kind of questions, you know. Okay, so the on time it will be one type of item and the delivered late will be another type of item. In June, company collected a total of $11,400. Okay, for every 17 hampers delivered, 14 delivered on time and 3 delivered late. Now you notice the one in red, okay, it's telling you very clearly that this is a sets question. Alright, so in each set, okay, this set there will be 14 that was delivered on time, okay, and there will be 3 that will be delivered late. Okay, and for this 14 that is delivered on time, alright, they will get $10 from this. So the total amount that they'll be getting from this will be $10 times 14, which will be equals to $140. And for the 3 that's late, they are paid $4 only. Okay, so $4 times the 3 that were late, okay, you will get $12. So the total inside one of these sets, right, will be 140 plus $12. You get $152. Okay, so inside one set is $152. Now the thing we need to find out now is how many sets are there all together. So what we do, we take the total, which is $11,400, we divide it by how much is in each set. Now these kind of questions I'm very sure you're able to use calculator because it's a very big number. So we just take 11400 divided by 152, you will get 75 sets altogether, which means that this is actually multiplied by 75 sets. Okay, so now we have all information that we need. Okay, we're going to solve the question. What was the total number of hampers delivered on time? So to find the on time one, all we need to take is the 75 multiplied by the number that was delivered on time. Okay, sorry, let's draw that again. So here we get 75 multiplied the number on time, you get 1050 hampers. Okay, so first one should be 1050 hampers. Remember to write your final statement. I'm now just going through answers, so I'm going to save a lot of time by not doing that. Okay, so this is part A. For part B, okay, how much less money did the company earn in June due to the late delivery of hampers? Alright, now this one is slightly complicated, okay, because you have to do a little bit more understanding. So how much less company did the company earn in June due to the late delivery of hampers? Now let me ask you, okay, if the company, right, if the company had delivered all on time, the 3 late that they delivered on time, okay, they will have earned how much for each hamper? They will have earned $10 for each hamper. Alright, now if because they delivered it late, they only earned $4 for each hamper, which means that actually what they could have earned more should have been $10 minus $4, which is $6. Okay, so we can say that we can deliver a new set that they actually made $6 something like loss because they delivered it late, and in each set there were 3 late hampers, right? So the amount of money that they actually lost from delivering these 3 late hampers is actually $6 multiplied by 3. Total is $18. Alright, this is only in one set. So if you want to calculate the total, alright, don't forget to multiply by the number of sets. Okay, you have to take 75 times the $18. You will get $1,350. Okay, so this is just the amount of money that they lost for delivering late. Alright, okay, so this is the, I think, yeah, this is the end of the worksheet. Okay, I hope